Hey everybody, got a refreshing, easy one for you today. Key lime colada. We're going to be taking some of this coconut key lime from Margaritaville. We're going to be adding some crushed pineapple in there. We're going to be making a key lime colada no-bake pie. It's going to be super easy, very delicious. We're going to be making our own graham cracker crust. That's also a very simple process, just 3 ingredients. Stick around, we're going to show you how it's all done. All right, first of all, we're going to melt our butter. We need 6 tablespoons. There's 8 in a stick, so you're going to leave 2. Be right back. All right, we got our melted butter. Now we're going to crush up our graham crackers. All right, now we're going to bake it at 350 for about 8 minutes so it sets. Be right back. All right, first of all, we're going to open up our can of pineapple. We are going to put the whole thing in here along with 2 of the pudding mixes. We're going to use just a splash of heavy cream over here, the heavy whipping cream. Maybe like a 1/4 cup, maybe not even that, just a little bit. All right, and we're going to mix these real quick, and then we're going to combine it with the whipped up. All right, that's good. Now we're going to put our whipped topping in there. Okay, our pie crust is nice and cool. Check this out. Very, very nice. Smells amazing. You guys had smell-o-vision, man. Okay, we're gonna put our mix in there. Really good. Got the tropical cream, coconut, pineapple, lime. It's amazing. All right. Now we're going to refrigerate it for about at least an hour. You could also put it in the freezer if you want it to last a little longer, but you want it to maybe thaw for maybe 30 minutes before you're going to serve it. Stay tuned.